Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable push vibration on Facebook push notifications. If you want to receive notifications from Facebook with a vibration alert, follow these simple steps on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon, also located at the top right, to access the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, tap on Notifications. Scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Where you receive notifications. Tap on Push. Under the push notification settings, look for the option to enable vibration. Simply toggle the switch to turn on the vibration alert for Facebook notifications. And that's it. You have successfully enabled push vibration for Facebook push notifications on your Android device. Now, you will never miss any important updates from Facebook thanks to the vibration alert feature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Have a great day.